Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and in today's session we are going to talk about 25 must-do DILR sets. We have already covered two sessions of it. So if you haven't watched the videos, I would request you to go and watch the videos. So let's start with the first set. Okay, so what does first set says? So it is a set 5, CAT 2019 slot 1. So what does this question says? Okay, so it says the following table represents addition of two 6-digit numbers given in the first and second rows. Okay, so I can see the two numbers that are being added while the sum is given in the third row. Fair point. Uh, and in the representation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 has been coded with the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K with the distinct representing digits. Okay, so basically now the important point that is given here is distinct digits. So distinct digit का मीनिंग ये होगा कि no two digits, no alphabet can have more two values, right? So you can't say that B can represent 1 or B can represent 1 and 2, right? As well as B cannot represent two digits, as well as it's not like A can be 1, B can also be 1. That's not possible, right? So now I need to figure this out, that how I'm going to solve it. I'm going to reach the question. The first question is, which digit does the letter represents? Second question is, which digit does the letter B represent? Now third question is a giveaway question. It says which among the digits 3, 4, 6 and 7 cannot be represented by letter D. It means D can represent three of the values. Means I am going to have at least three cases, right? Out of four, D is going to represent at least three digits, right? Same goes for G, right? Question number 4 is telling us that which of the following digit cannot be represented by G. It means three digits can be represented by G, one digit cannot be. So I am going to have at least three cases in this question, right? So I have read the question, and now I am going to figure out, and I have already figured out what is the value of A, and I have already figured out what is the value of B just by reading this. Now, how can I figure out so quickly? So now let's see. So what I am going to do, I am not going to go by 6-digit number or 7-digit number or 8-digit number. I am simply going by 2-digit number. So 2-digit number, largest 2-digit number is 99. Largest 2-digit number is 99. So if I am going to add 99 plus 99, I am going to get 891. My first place is going to be 1. Apart from that, there is no other value that it can have. So if I am adding 6-digit number, I am adding 6-digit number, and I am going to get a 7-digit number. For example, if I am adding 9,99,999 and 9,99,999, my sum is still going to be less than 20 lakhs. So it means A cannot take any other value apart from 1. So A is 1. So A is 1, A is 1, A is 1, A is 1. That's it. I hope everyone is clear till this point. How I am going to calculate the value of A as 1. Okay. Now 1, this is also 1. So what possible value it can take? It can take B as 9. So 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 1 carry over. So that becomes 11. It means I am adding these two numbers. I am getting this, and 1 must be carried over. Then only I can get 1. So I am directly going to get value of A as 1. I am directly going to get the value of B as 1. B as 9. So this is something I am very clear about, right? Now I'm going to start from here. Now I am adding F to F, and I'm getting F. What is the possible value that F can take? So F को क्या वैल्यू दे दें कि F ही आ जाए? So 1 I cannot give, 2 plus 2 4, not possible. 3 plus 3 6, not possible. 4 plus 4 8, not possible. 5 plus 5, this is going to be 0, not possible. 6 plus 6 2, not possible. 7 plus 7, not possible. 8 plus 8, not possible. 9 plus 9, not possible. So the only possible arrangement for f we can have is 0. So f is 0. So this is the third case. So f is 0, a is 1, b is 9. Okay. Now I'm going to solve further. Okay. So I got 0, I got 1, I got 9. So no other alphabet can be given as this. Now I'm getting 1 over here, right? So A is 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to C. So it means C can be 1. But if A is 1, C, how can C be 1? That's not possible, right? It means 1 should be getting carried over. G plus K is equal to 11. 1 is getting carried over. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. So I am getting value of C as 2. Because every uh, alphabet is representing a different digit. That's why C cannot be 1. C must be 2 only, right? And G plus K should be 11. Okay. So 2 plus 7. 2 plus 9. Not possible case because this is 2. 3 plus 8 may be a possible arrangement. I don't know. Okay. 4 plus 7. 5 plus 6. 6 plus 5 can be any number. I don't know. Okay. So I'm just not working on this right now. So I'm asking if you have any doubt till this point in this, ask that out. Right. Now, listen carefully. This is 1, this is 0, this is 2. So what is getting carried over? 0, right? So 1 plus j is equal to g. 1 plus j equal to g. It means g should be equal to j plus 1, right? It means g and j should be consecutive numbers. Okay. So I am writing all the digits a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I is not there, J and K. Okay. So A is 1, B is 9, C is 2, D I don't know, E is what I don't know, F is 0, and G and J should be consecutive numbers. So they can be 2 and 3, not possible because 2 is already there. Fine. Okay. Can they be 3 and 4? So if J is 3, it can be 4. That is one case, right? Can it be 4 plus 5? If it is 4, it can be 5. Okay. Now, can it be 6 and 7? Perhaps. Can it be 7 and 8? Perhaps. Can it be 8 and 9? No, because it is already 9, so not possible. So this case is rejected. So G can be 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. Sorry, there might be one more case, that is J is 5 and G is 6. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the possible values. So let's work on it. Okay. So if I take first case, it is 3, it is 4. So it is 3. It should be what? 8. Okay. I'm getting one case. Now 9 plus, this is 1, this is 3. So this becomes 4. Now carry over is 0. H plus H is this. So what is the value of H? H cannot take any other value that is other than 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. This is 0. Okay. So I can eliminate this case 4, 5 and I can eliminate this case that is 5, 6. So what are the possible values that G can take? That is going to be 4, 7 and 8. Okay. So I already got the answer, right? So the answer of the first question is what? A, 1. Answer of the second question is what? 9. G can take 4. G can take, I think, 7. G can take 8. So which of the values G cannot take? G cannot take 6. So I got the answer for this. Now among the digits 3, 4, 6 and 7, which of the digits cannot be represented by D? Okay. Now H is already taken as 5. Okay. Now I am going with first case. So H is already 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So it can be either 6 or it can be 7 or it can be 8. So D can be either 6 or 7 or 8. Two values are matching for me, right? So 6 and 7 is the possible value. Now I'm going to look for 3 and 4. Okay. So if I take this case that J is 6, then this is 7, this is 7, so this is going to be 4, right? So the value of K becomes 4. Okay. So in this case, value of K was 8. In this case, value of K is this. Sorry. So D can be what? D 1, 2. D can take a value of 3. So D can take a value of 3, 6, and 7. So which of the following digits D cannot take a value of? That is 4. So answer of this question becomes 4. So this is how we are going to approach the question. Now let's see. Answer is 1, 9, 7, and 6. Okay. D cannot take a value of 7. Okay. Did I miss out something in this? Okay. So I think I missed out. Let's go back again. So, okay. In the first case, okay. So let me go back to this one. That is first case. Let me check. Okay. So basically, if this is 3, then this is 4. If this is 4, then this is 7. Okay. So K becomes 7. So it cannot take a value of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So D can be 6. Okay. So I missed that out. If this is 4, this is going to be 5. Doesn't make sense because 5 is already taken by H. It can't be 5. So let's take it as 6. If it is 6, it is going to be 7. If it is 7, then it is going to be 4. So J is 6, G is 7, K is 4, H is 5. Okay, Ashika. So D can take a value of what? 3. Okay, and it is 7. Then it is 7. If it is 7, it is 8. Then it can be 3. So uh, which of the following values? So it is going to be 4. Okay. So Yashika, 5 plus 5 is 10. This is 0. So 1 is carried over. So 1 plus 9 plus 1, that becomes 1. Got it? And that 1 get carried over and this becomes 1. So D can take a value of 3, 4, and 6. So it cannot take a value of what? It cannot take a value of 7. Yashika, I hope I'm clear now. So basically, this is the approach we are going to take in this one. So I missed out in calculating the value in calculating cases. I was trying to calculate multiple cases at once. That's not possible. Okay. So this set is clear now, or anyone has any doubt, I'll take the doubts. Yes, no? Okay. Okay. Should I move on to the next one? Now, CAT student is live. So if you want, you can enroll in the live classes. Now let's start sixth set. That is CAT 2019 slot 2. Okay. Now let's start this one. Okay. So if anyone has any doubt in the previous set, do let me know. I'll work accordingly. Now, what does it say? Okay. There are 3 pouches. There are 9 boxes. In 9 boxes, you can see there are 3 pouches. They are kept in the 9 slots, a 3 by 3 grid, as shown in the figure. Each pouch has a certain number of 1 rupee coin. Okay. The minimum and maximum amount of money is given. Okay. So if you look at column 1, row 1, that is this one. So 1 pouch has 2, 1 pouch has 3, and 2 is the lowest value, 4 is the largest value. So third pouch can be either 2 or 3 or 4. Any of the values is possible. Okay. Now here I am very clear about 1 pouch, this, that is smallest value is 1, largest value is 1. So middle value will also be 1. right? So this is what that is given to us, right? Okay, so this is what the question is telling us. Okay, now there are 9 pouches in any of the 3 columns. In 3 rows, we know the average amount of money kept in the 9 pouches in any column in any row is an integer. So it means if I add all three boxes, my sum should be a multiple of 9, either in column or in this. Understood? This is what question is telling us. Now it says that it is also known that total amount of money kept in 3 pouches in the first column means this, and third row is this, first column, third row is this, and total amount of money is given to us as 4. This is 1, this is 2, smallest value is 1, largest value is 2, sum is 4, so third value should be 1. This is what set is telling us. I hope everyone is clear on this. Yes, no? The information that is given to us, that is this, that there are 9 boxes. The least value is given, largest value is given in every of the box, and I think I need to calculate some values. So what is the total amount of money kept in the first column of the second row? Okay, how many pouches contain exactly 1 coin? Okay, what is the number of slots for which average amount of its 3 pouches in integer? Okay, the number of slots in which total amount of the 3 pouches is strictly exceed 10. Okay, so these are the 4 questions that are given, so more likely I would be able to calculate everything. Okay, now I know one thing, that this one, column 2, row 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. First column, third row, sum is 4. So this is definitely going to be 1, 1, and 2. Okay. So I am going to say total amount of money is 4, and here total amount of money is 3. Okay. Here I get 2 and 4. I'm going to write up all the values. I have 3 and 5. I am writing down smallest value and largest value. I got 6 and 8. Okay. I am getting 1 and 2. Okay. I got 1 and 3. Okay. I got 6 and 20. Okay. And I got 2 and 5. Okay. Now, what I am going to think, the question is saying that average in this is integer, right? So average in integer means sum of all the values divided by 9 should be an integer, right? Because average is an integer. So what if average is an integer, then what can be the sum? So sum can be either 9, or it can be 18, or it can be 27, or it can be 36, क्योंकि sum तो 9 का multiple होगा, or it can be 45. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे ले रहा हूँ कि ये 4 है, 4, 5 plus 3 8 plus 4 is what? 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 6 18, right? So सम अभी तक 18 आया, 2 वैल्यूज मिसिंग है, और दोनों का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 9 होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सम अपन को 27 बनाना है. अगर 27 नहीं बनाना है तो 36 बनाएंगे. 36 बनाने के लिए सम 18 चाहिए होगा. नाउ दिस वैल्यू can be either 2, 3 or 4. This value can be either 3 or 4 or 5. तो अगर मुझे सम 9 बनाना है, सो 9 एक ही तरीके से बन सकता है, that is 4 plus 5. There is no alternative. So this sum comes out to be 13 and this sum comes out to be 10. I hope this is clear to everyone. हाँ या ना? Now I am going to go with this. 6 plus 8 कितना हुआ? 14. 14 plus 3 क्या हुआ? 17. 17 plus 3 क्या हुआ? 20. Now sum of these two numbers should be 7. 7 कैसे बन सकता है? 1 plus 6. क्योंकि सम अपन को क्या बनाना है? 27. 9 का मल्टीपल 36 बना नहीं सकते, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 8 डालेंगे, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 2 डालेंगे, तो 8 plus 2 10 होगा, सम 36 तो पहुंचेगा नहीं, राइट? So what is the total sum? That is going to be 20. What is the total sum? That is going to be what? कितना आएगा? 4. ठीक है. 4 plus 4 8. अब यहाँ पे सम क्या बनाना होगा, यहाँ पे सम, सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे टोटल सम अपना कितना बना 27, यहाँ पे टोटल सम अपना कितना बना 27। अब यहाँ पे 4 + 4 8, 8 + 7 15, तो मैक्सिमम सम तो 18 ही जाएगा, राइट। सो व्हाट शुड बी दिस वैल्यू, दिस वैल्यू शुड बी 3। तो यहाँ पे कितना हो गया टोटल 10, ठीक है। 20 + 10 30, तो सम कितना बन सकता है 36, राइट। तो यहाँ पे कितना होना चाहिए 6, सो 1 2 एंड 3। ओके, नाउ 13 + 3 इज व्हाट। अब यहाँ पे कितना आ गया 6, ठीक है। अब 13 + 3 16, ठीक है। 16 + 26, 16 + 26 क्या होगा अपना, 16 + 26 होगा 42, ठीक। अब 42 + 3 45, वो तो नहीं बन रहा। 45 54, मतलब यहाँ पे कितना आना चाहिए 13, राइट। सो 13 + 3 16, 16 प्लस ये कितना होगा 39, 16 + 38 होना चाहिए। सो आई थिंक आई एम मिसिंग आउट ऑन समथिंग, दैट इज 26, इट शुड बी 12, ओके। 13 + 3 16, 16 प्लस 26 42, हाँ ठीक 38। अपने पास टोटल ये अरेंजमेंट आया और पूरा अरेंजमेंट आ गया। अब यहाँ पे ऐड कर देते हैं 38 + 10 48, 48 + 6 54, यहाँ पे भी सम 54 आ गया, राइट। सो अपन बस एवरेज निकाल रहे हैं, अपन बस ये देख रहे हैं कि कहाँ पे 9 का मल्टीपल बन रहा है, क्या वैल्यू डाल दे कि 9 का मल्टीपल बन जाए, इसके अलावा सोचना ही नहीं है। क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये गिवन है कि जो कॉलम 1 का एवरेज है वो इंटीजर है, कॉलम 2 का एवरेज है वो इंटीजर है, कॉलम 3 का एवरेज है वो इंटीजर है, ये इंटीजर है R1 का, R2 का, R3 का। सो यहाँ पे 9 पाउचेस हैं और 9 पाउचेस का सम का एवरेज इंटीजर है, मतलब जो सम होगा वो 9 का मल्टीपल होगा, राइट। तो मैंने 9 के मल्टीपल ले लिया और मैं केवल 9 के मल्टीपल पे काम कर रहा हूँ, ठीक। अब पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है, व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ मनी kept in 3 pouches, फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकेंड रो। पहला कॉलम और सेकेंड रो में टोटल अपने पास फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकेंड रो इज 13, पूरा पैसा आ गया, दैट इज 13। हाउ मेनी पाउचेस कंटेन एग्जैक्टली 1 कॉइन, मतलब 1 कितनी बार आ रहा है ये क्वेश्चन कह रहा है, राइट। तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और 8 बार आ रहा है, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 8। अब क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि कितने पाउचेस में, कितने स्लॉट्स में जो एवरेज है वो इंटीजर है, मतलब जो अपना ये वाला बॉक्स है, ये वाला बॉक्स, इस बॉक्स में वैल्यू एवरेज जो है वो इंटीजर है। एवरेज इंटीजर तब होगा जब सम 3 का मल्टीपल होगा, राइट। यहाँ पे तो नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे है, बाकी में नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब कितना आएगा 2। यहाँ पे आंसर अपना आ चुका है, एंड व्हाट इज द आंसर, दैट इज 2। The number of slots for which total amount of its 3 pouches strictly exceeds 10. Strictly exceeds 10 का मतलब 10 काउंट नहीं होगा, 10 से ऊपर होना चाहिए। कौन कौन सा, 1 2 3, 3 में स्ट्रिक्टली 10 के ऊपर है, मतलब आंसर इसका क्या आएगा 3। सो वी गॉट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन एज 3। सो यही आंसर होने चाहिए 13 8 2 3। क्या यही आ रहा है, यही आ रहा है। I hope everyone understood what we were trying to do. Yes or no? And for DILR, you should join DILR 1000 if you haven't yet. So you are going to have a lot of sets and good practice questions. And this is the time you should download the Career Launcher app. So in case any doubt, just ask the doubt. So अगर किसी को अभी पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो. I'll respond. Yes, Baljeet. सो कोई इशू नहीं है, सब बढ़िया। Okay, very good. So all the best. Take care. Bye bye.